Guys, Jacob here. Finally made it back home after a week in Vegas and a couple days spent up north in Sacramento. Wanted to shoot a quick video. I probably come off like some guy that's completely shedding on nonfiction, and I kind of am. But what's great about nonfiction books, guys, and this is what the video is going to be about today, is that it's a great entryway into Kindle publishing. If you're like either broke or you just don't want to spend a lot of money starting off with developing a side hustle, a biz op, what have you, through online means. So I still believe that Kindle publishing is by far the easiest way to make money online, the fastest way to make money online, and the best way to make money online if you're brand new to online online marketing, like making money online, whatever. So just to like get up to the point of what this video is about, I joined recently a nonfiction mastermind that was started through my self-publishing blueprint. And guys, no, I'm not here to steal fucking students or like sell my courses. No. So like everyone just calm down. I just actually wanted to like stay like in touch with nonfiction publishers, like, you know, help the cycle go through with like the 2019 publishers who will start out and hopefully become successful, just answering questions and stuff without self-promoting. So don't worry, guys, don't worry. But yeah, so one thing that's come up a lot is like, what is really the essence point? What really boils down with nonfiction books? And I'm just going to tell it to you straight. So on this timer, it's 1:55 into this video. I'll explain nonfiction in 2 minutes. Okay, so nonfiction, you've got ebooks, paperbacks, and ebooks. Wait, ebooks, paperbacks, and audiobooks. 2 key factors. Number 1, you need visibility for your product. So visibility means people can find it on Amazon. Hopefully you have visibility for a product that is in demand, right? So you need to find a keyword for your product that is in demand and you can gain visibility for it, right? So it has to be in demand, and because it's in demand, people can make money. Now you need to be visible so that your product is chosen instead of someone else's, right? So that is visibility, and then profitability. So you run ads, you do whatever it takes to get your visibility. Now you need to either run ads, work on getting your ranking organically, and that's how you're gonna get money, make money online with nonfiction. And that works for ebooks, paperbacks. For audiobooks, it's about visibility too. With audiobooks, you can't really run ads or really trick anything out. What you're doing essentially for audiobooks is filling a void right now, because audiobooks are relatively a new form of media on Amazon for purchase. So you're finding keywords that have opportunity for you to enter to make money online because it's not saturated yet, and you can just put your entry in there and by that virtue make money. And from that, profitability, guys. So you set your ads, you do what it takes to get your books up, you got your visibility. Now you got to just whittle away at either getting your ad spend down or just waiting for your books to hit ROI. Whew, do that in less than 2 minutes, right? So what does that all entail, guys, with what I just said? Visibility and profitability. Those two intertwine with, I think, the most effective way to make money make money fast through Amazon is using ads. So, using, advertising by Amazon, the platform's cost per click campaign, using ads, just starting out, because you can literally pay with no effort, just money, getting the #1 spot for a keyword, right? So you can pay for that. But the trick is, how can you pay for that, have your book sell, and still cost per click, make a profit, versus the cost per click cost that's associated with people seeing your book, clicking on the ad, and hopefully buying your book. So that means you need 2 things. Both of these things. Conversions. Your book has to be quality in order to convert to a sale and sustain being something convertible, or else you're going to get 1-star reviews. So quality. good, high amount of, preferably a higher or same amount of page count than your competitors. Solving a problem that's directly relevant to your readers. High quality content, high quality cover, high quality book description. That right there, that formula right there, I sell a course on, and I just gave you the info for free of what exactly a high quality book entails, and that's how you get good conversions for your books. Running ads. Then number 2, profitability. So there's different approaches to running ads. Marco's course, I guess it's called the AMS. Let's just call it the AMS ads course. That's just easy for me to say. AMS ads. So it teaches you to, this is the best approach, honestly, if you're starting out as a beginner or if you don't have a lot of money, is to start low with your bids. Like you want to start out at like 15 cents per click and work your way up until like you can get enough exposure for your books, and also still like playing it safe to ensure you hit profitability. That's a good approach. My approach is because I like to start with the end in mind. Literally, I pay $1 per click right off the bat and try to right off the bat get the number 1 spot for a keyword. And in a lot of cases, that's not going to be profitable because $1 cost per click is going to cost a lot. So what I'll do from there is try to retain the sponsored listing for the keyword at number 1. This lighting's kind of bad, but it's all right. And with that, try to get profitability with 2 ways. Either I have to decrease my cost per click, and ultimately that's what I have to do from $1 per click, as that can be excessive for some keywords. Or number 2, what most people overlook, is increasing the royalty amount to be made from your book, which means essentially increasing the list price of your paperback. With nonfiction, I don't think ebooks are very profitable to run ads for, and I'm having a hard time making it work with fiction, with AMS, or advertising by Amazon, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's how it is. A lot of you have problems with keyword research. I don't know why. I don't want to be a dick. I'm not going to toot my course, but there's resources out there, guys. If you need to learn more about keyword research, either in the blueprint or you can just play around with the Amazon search engine. That's honestly the best way. Just go on the Amazon search engine and get experience and knowledge of what popular keywords you think are going to be either profitable or not, and just learn that way. You got to just play around and spend some hours, actually hours. Do the work. Don't depend too much on Kindle Spy, KDP Rocket. At best, guys, those are just programs to get aggregate data on keywords. It's not going to give you accurate projections on what keywords are actually making in terms of revenue. So I know a lot of people get caught up on that. Don't get lazy, guys, on depending on a fucking program to come up with your keywords. Like, you got to put in the work, and you got to, once you're in a keyword, you have to know your keyword. You got to know who your competitors are, why their books sell well, why their books might not sell so well, what opportunities you can exploit, what weaknesses of theirs you can use as strengths for your book to beat your competitors and gaining sales for. I almost fucking tripped on my luggage. What price points are they at? What price points do you need to be at? Can you sell your book higher than theirs? Do you have to come in at the same price point as theirs? Are they overpaying for ads? Are they not using ads at all? Guys, there's a lot of things to factor in there. So you really have to know your shit and not depend on a program to just tell you, oh, this keyword's going to make you $13,000 in a second or a minute, whatever KDP Rocket says. So, I'm not trying to be a mean guy to Dave Chesson. He's doing good work, but I'm just not a believer in KDP Rocket for doing Kindle publishing at a high level. So, other than that, guys, I really just wanted to shoot this for the Mastermind that's been going on. As far as the fiction Mastermind, that is actually coming to fruition. So, we've got a few 6-figure publishers that are teaming up with me. It's not this whole teacher-student dynamic. Now we're like teammates that are going to join together and make a lot of money together. And it'll be a lot of fun. So some of us are waiting for our December royalties to kick in, which will come at the end of February. I'm ready to go right now, but things will get epic as the new year approaches. So stay tuned, guys. Take care.